Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if your BMW e70 Bluetooth is not working. So the first thing that you can try to do is you want to go to settings on your phone. So go to top right, go to settings, there you're going to have connections, and under Wi-Fi you're going to have Bluetooth, and then you're going to BMW there, your car. You want to go to settings of that, and then you're going to write here unpair. So you're going to press unpair. This is the first way what you can try to do, but do it also for your phone on your BMW. So we want to unpair it, the phone also from BMW. And then the next thing what you can try to do is that you want to press and hold the volume button for about 30 to 60 seconds to reset it, and then it can possibly work also. Or what you can try to do is you want to press, if you can find it there, the volume button with the mode button for about 60 seconds, or the top arrow, where if you're gonna have it there, with the volume button for about also 60 seconds, and maybe it's going to work. I'm just throwing out ideas for you to fix the issue that you have. And then if this is not going to also work, then you can try to connect different phone and use that. This is like a last procedure. So have a great day and goodbye.